Hi, I'm Carla Rieger and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you'll find tips and tools for higher performance and better communication, especially when it comes to the use of stories as a means of opening hearts and minds and rewriting the stories you tell yourself. We particularly help team leaders, business owners, experts, and speakers with free tips and tools, excerpts from our live events, and our Mind Story Speaker podcast. The podcast includes interviews from top experts on storytelling, leadership, performance enhancement, psychology, and neuroscience, such as Tom Antion on how to use fun stories in speaking and marketing, Ocean Robbins on how food affects our mindset, Colin Sprake on transforming inner stories to better succeed in business, The Power of Stories to Heal with Maya Cristobal, Emotional Marketing, uncover the story of your business with Angelia Darnborough, and short tips by me like if you're overwhelmed by your task list, the #1 way to break free, or how to transform the top 3 core beliefs that keep most people stuck. People are far more influenced by stories than most of us realize. Both empowering and disempowering beliefs are stored in our subconscious mind as a story. Change your story, change your life. So here's a bit on my background. Please subscribe and click the bell to be notified when there's a new video.
May your big vision that you're coming up with today for yourself will reinforce and take you beyond your wildest expectations. Thank you.
Carla Rieger is a popular keynote speaker, a creativity catalyst, corporate consultant, motivator, actor, and author.
We were laughing, we were crying. Fantastic. You're in for a real treat.
Influencing with integrity to open people's minds to new ideas.
She makes change feel easy. I love her approach. It's quite unique.
As a speaker, I just find her to be so dynamic and humorous and brilliant in the way that she weaves her stories and her messages together.
It was brilliant to me because it's the storytelling, and I see that as a tremendous value that I can use and work with in the future.
But at the end, when he was done and he had to give them a fine and everything, they all hugged him.
So just remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when there's a new video, and we'll see you on the inside.